Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Coility Cat Will Exerciser Cat Wheels. Coility Cat Will upgraded structure makes installation a breeze, requiring no tools and only 10 minutes of your time. The cat running wheel is an exceptional exercise toy that gives your feline friend the opportunity to run and play to their heart's desire, even indoors. This helps to keep your cat healthy, strong, and active, promoting a long and happy life. Help your furry companion reduce anxiety and overcome stress with our cat wheel. This innovative toy stimulates your pet's senses and enables them to focus on a fun activity, which can significantly improve their mental health and well-being. Our cat exercise wheel comes with a detachable running mat, making it easy to clean or replace. Its durable structure ensures long-lasting use. When your cat spends most of its time indoors, keeping them active and healthy can be a challenge. Cat Wheel Exerciser for indoor cats. This cat wheel helps to keep your cat in a positive and optimistic mindset. A cat exercise wheel can give your cat the feeling of running and playing outdoors, without being limited by the weather or time of day. If you want to keep your cat healthy, active, and happy, Cat Wheel Exerciser for indoor cats is a wise choice. Number 2 in this best cat running wheel list is Navicon Vex Cat Treadmill Running Wheel. The Navicon Vex Cat wheel is made of great quality material, and weighs up to 39 pounds. This exercise wheel is very stable on the base, so it will be unlikely to tip over even with the most vigorous and athletic cat. Over 35.8 in diameter of this running wheel is large enough for even the largest cat to know the feeling of running full speed. Navicon Vex Indoor Cat Exercise provides a wonderful way for our kitties to exercise and reduce their risk of becoming overweight and staying healthy. The Velcro attached Carpeted Runway fits perfectly inside the wheel and provides a secure grip for running. It can also be a scratching toy for cats and provides entertaining support for scratching. Nothing had to be forced together, and the seams are as close to perfect as you could ever hope for. This cat treadmill is designed with reserved holes and parts labeled. You can easily complete the installation according to the assembly illustrations even if you don't have any experience with that. Cat running wheel will not affect your work and rest. 8 TPE silent pulleys are designed on the bottom axis of the cat walking wheel. The rotation is smooth. The excellent stability at the bottom of the cat exercise wheel indoor ensures the safety of the cat. Let the cat run and play on the cat wheels for indoor cats, and the hidden TPE bearing wheel won't hurt their feet if they fall into the gap. Our third choice is Homegroove Cat Running Wheel. Most pet cats are overweight because they spend long hours indoors and lack exercise. Cat exercise wheel for indoor cats. And running is the best way to exercise. Help your cat stay physically active and reduce boredom. Large Cat Running Wheel. This new upgrade of our cat wheel, silent and effective in preventing cats from pinching their feet, is great pet furniture. The upgraded TPE silent roller of the cat running wheel is quiet when running. Even if the cat uses the cat treadmill at night, the cat wheel will not affect the owner's sleep. Our cat exercise wheel built-in locking device, cat playtime can be controlled. The cat wheel can also be locked when no one is at home to avoid accidents when the cat is left unattended. This cat running wheel is made of solid wood and is very sturdy. The cat wheel had a maximum weight capacity 110 pounds, no need to worry about the weight of the cat at all. This treadmill wheel base is widened to completely wrap the running wheel, very stable without worrying about tipping over. Our cat exercise wheel is made of pet-friendly wood material. The large cat wheel is durable, with a smooth and flat surface. It adopts an advanced edge sealing process and rounded corners. Cat wheel exercise for indoor cats widen the base for excellent stability. Every inch of the cat exercise wheel is polished and bearing weight up to 44 pounds/20 kilograms. A large diameter cat wheel exerciser for indoor cats is suitable for any age cat or small dog. Fourth pick in this best cat running wheel list is Smart Hacks Cat Wheel. With our cat wheel, your cat is free to run. This cat exercise wheel offers many health benefits like reducing risk of obesity and improving joint flexibility. We provide cat wheels for indoor cats with great joy and minimize risk of depression. This cat treadmill is a new and improved generation. The gap between base and roller is reduced to a minimum less than 6 mm to prevent the cat's paws from pinching. The raised and reinforced base makes the cat wheel stable and sturdy. The built-in quiet rollers can greatly reduce the noise. Our cat running wheel is made of solid wood plank. It is lined with replaceable thickened anti-scratch pads inside, which provides a secure grip. The cat wheel is equipped with a locking mechanism to a stationary state, which can be used as interactive cat toys, cat beds and furniture. The cat wheel needs installation. All accessories and a manual are included. A 7 minutes long step-by-step installation video can be found after the 6 main images and on the manual. This cat exercise wheel is easy to clean, with a damp rag or sponge for simple spot cleaning, or you can use a vacuum to clean the cat scratch pad. Our fifth and last choice is Solively Cat Exercise Wheel. The cat exercise wheel comes with detailed installation instructions. The cat exercise wheel is not only a cat treadmill, but also a cat house, cat shelf, and a cat bowl for indoor cats. Cat wheels for indoor cats make cats' lives more enjoyable. When your cat spends most of its time indoors, keeping them active and healthy can be a challenge. Cat wheel exercise for indoor cats. This cat wheel helps to keep your cat in a positive and optimistic mindset. A cat exercise wheel can give your cat the feeling of running and playing outdoors, without being limited by the weather or time of day. Upgraded 4-in-1 cat wheel, our cat wheels are easy to install. If you want to keep your cat healthy, active, and happy, Cat Wheel Exerciser for indoor cats is a wise choice. Cat running wheel will not affect your work and rest. 8 TPE silent pulleys are designed on the bottom axis of the cat walking wheel. The rotation is smooth. The excellent stability at the bottom of the cat exercise wheel indoor ensures the safety of the cat. Let the cat run and play on the cat wheels for indoor cats, and the hidden TPE bearing wheel won't hurt their feet if they fall into the gap.